Hi friends, I'm Savia.
And I'm Simon.
Today we're going to learn the alphabet from A to Z. A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for fish. G is for giraffe, tall and kind. H is for hat. Let's wear one. I is for ice cream. J is for jump. Let's jump together. K is for kite, flying high. L is for lion. Roar! M is for monkey, swinging on the tree. N is for nest, with baby birds chirping. O is for orange, round and juicy. P is for pencil, to write and draw. Q is for queen, wearing a crown. R is for rainbow. Look at those colors. S is for sun, warm and bright. T is for tree, tall and green. U is for umbrella, colorful and fun. V is for violin. Listen to this tune. W is for whale, splashing in the water. X is for xylophone. Let's play some music. Y is for yogurt, creamy and yummy. Z is for zebra with black and white stripe.
Hey friends, did you have fun learning with us today? If you liked our video,
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. More fun and learning is on the way. Bye-bye, friends. See you soon. Hooray!